And this is goodness of God, and you can see that it's just G, C, G. Then this E minor 7, which is just that. Here's the G, but E minor 7 just takes the middle one out. And you know C is this one. So, and then there's D. That's the 3 on that first 3 lines. And that's all. So G, C, G, E minor 7, C, D, E minor, C, G, and it goes G, D, E minor 7. Okay, so it goes like this. Starts on G. It goes, I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Okay, so I just want to see if you can see all of that. Okay, and do it again, and you see if you can play along, just with G, G, then C, then G, that 3. Then you have the E minor, C, yeah, G, D, E minor, then C, D, and G. That's it. Okay. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. Oh, am I recording? Sorry, yes, I am. I'll do it again. G, ready? And I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Chorus is just C's. And all my life you have been G, faithful. C, all my life you have been so, so good. You see that? And then start right there on C. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in the darkest night.